So let's take a close look at Monte, this week's giveaway competition mini. Mega low odds, 998 maximum tickets. This is unbelievably low odds. What have we got here? We've got a Richard Williams prepared rally replica, or Monte Carlo rally replica, called Monte, finished in tartan red. This car was fully restored a number of years ago to an absolutely outstanding condition. We've got a Mark 1 rear end conversion with the drop down number plate. We've got a centre exit manifold exhaust. We've got a stage 2 tune 998 58 brake horsepower twin SU'd beautiful engine. We've got a 10-inch wheel conversion with mini lights. We've got a full rally interior, and the seats are from a Mark 2 Cooper. Present absolutely immaculate. This car's just been to Time to Shine at Doncaster and presents like new. It is absolutely stunning. We've got the rally dash, so rev counter, battery, oil, temperature. We've got oil pressure, water temperature, center speedo. We've got map reader, USB, fuse box, internal fuse box. We've got original radio. We've got all the normal stuff. We've got a beautiful gear knob. We've got rubber mats with full red carpets. We've got fuel cut-off switch. We've got a heated front screen. We've got bullet mirrors, absolute perfection. We've got all the stickers. Every single sticker that you see is magnetic and can be removed. We've got a 10-inch wheel conversion with fully adjustable suspension and Cooper S 7.4-inch disc conversion. And look at this engine, a 998 twin SU'd 58 brake horsepower modified engine. This thing honestly is absolutely spectacular. Look at the condition of this paint. Obviously we've got the Lucus fog lamps. I have got the centre one for that as well if you wanted the 3. We've got the headlight stone chip guards. Obviously we've already mentioned. The 10-inch wheel conversion. We've got Mark 1 front end with bonnet. This presents like a brand new car. It is absolutely stunning, and it is a mega low odds competition with just 998 tickets. Let's have a look at the condition of this car. It is unbelievable, and one of you is winning this in our live guarantee draw on Sunday at 10 PM. ukminis.co.uk to get your tickets. This thing is unbelievably good. Who wants to have a little listen to this? Go get your tickets. Good luck.